407 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 13 September 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 13 September, 553 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 24,592. Total active cases in the state stands at 5,173. Total recovered cases stands at 19,129. Total 290 deaths are reported till 13 September 2020. 75 years male from Pernam admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, expired on 12 September. 88 years female from Sakri, 73 years male from Arpara and 72 years male from Asgaon admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions, expired on 13 September. Out of 1,570 samples tested, 929 are negative, 407 are positive, 234 reports awaited. At present, people quarantined in various residences hotels are 28 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 13 September. Breakup of total 5,173 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center CSC Bicholim 219, CSC Sakre 316, CSC Pernam 197, CSC Varpai 205, Urban Health Center USC Mapsa 188, USC Panji 272, Primary Health Center PSC Aldana 143, PSC Bedki 108, PSC Kandole 150, PSC Kansarvarnam 113, PSC Korwae 115, PSC Kolle 133, PSC Chimbal 185, PSC Shiolim 138, PSC Porvarim 322, PSC Mayam 69, Travelers by Road Flight Train 6. South Goa Community Health Center CSC Kurchorim 85, CSC Kankona 82, Urban Health Center USC Margao 414, USC Vasco 298, Primary Health Center PSC Bali 45, PSC Kansavalim 125, PSC Chinchenim 44, PSC Kortalim 180, PSC Kurtorim 74, PSC Lutolim 87, PSC Marsayam 93, PSC Kapam 104, PSC Sangam 90, PSC Shiroda 49, PSC Darbandara 92, PSC Ponda 356, PSC Navelim 76. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 13 September are as follows. District North total capacity 545, current vacancy 164. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 482. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.